What, you scared? Oh, isn't there? Huh?
Exciting video.
Yeah, not bad. Alright, that's enough. Oh, hey, what's up? Here, run the camera.
Are you still taping it?
Yeah.
Don't.
Well, what?
Fuck off. You're fucking with me right now, aren't you?
How am I fucking with you? What did I do?
You can't start the car.
Look it.
Roman.
This is stupid.
Fuck off.
What? You didn't think it would start? What in the fuck
I don't
was
know.
that?
Go.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
I don't know, and I really. Maybe you hit the baby.
Sound like a stroller. That was fucking weird. What the fuck?
My heart is beating so.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know. I wasn't under the car.
We're turning around.
No, we're
Yes,
not.
we are.
No, we're
Yes,
not.
we are. I'm going back to see what that was.
Watch you die, and then I'll be like, what the fuck?
I don't know what that was, and I'm going to fucking find out. I'm turning around right up here at this stop sign.
So far away.
That was fucking stupid.
That was fucking creepy. That's what it was.
Well, what the fuck? Why would it fucking do that?
I don't know.
Put the camera on me. I want answers. And I'm gonna get them. Right fucking meow.
Like, we got it on video camera too.
Well, we're gonna get it on video camera right fucking now.
I would fucking hate to live around here. I see it. Wouldn't that be
sitting there looking over, going, "You ran him over!" I want to know what that noise was.
You want to know?
Yeah. Well, we don't mean nothing there. Or the girl, right? Come to Papa.
Watch, it's just a pop can.
That wasn't a pop can. That was something scraping underneath.
Maybe I ran over a twig or something. There's nothing on the road.
Huh. Was a tad askew, wasn't it? Hey, look at, they're doing something.
What?
I don't know. Someone running across the fucking road, right? I must say, that was strange.
Yep. Is this like a night vision one?
No, but you see, hopefully it picked up that sound.
Going at 8 minutes and 27 seconds.
You can shut it off now if you want.
I don't know how.